Hello there! Welcome to my classroom. My name is Teacher Marian, and I am so excited to meet you. I live in the beautiful country of the Philippines. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in political science. I am also a TFL certified, which means I am qualified to teach everyone from children to adults. I have a passion for teaching, and I love making my classes fun, interactive, and easy to learn. Whether you want to practice your phonics, master your grammar, or just build your confidence in everyday conversations, I am here to help you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Book a class with me today and let's start your English learning journey together. See you in class. Goodbye.